The innovative MAB-825 KTS magnetic drilling and milling machine with cross-table base. Ideal for drilling, countersink, tapping, and light milling operations. 80mm diameter core drilling capacity. M30 tapping capacity. Light milling to create slotted holes or depressions as possible using the optionally available collet chuck. Cross-table base enables 110mm left and right movement, as well as 120mm forward and backward movement. The stable cross table allows for offset bores and hole patterns. An ideal portable machine to make slots or key slots with the help of end milling tools. Simply better drilling. Versatile cross-table base, X and Y-axis movement under magnetic condition, carbon brush wear indicator, oil bath gearbox, magnet adhesion indicator, constant steady RPM, variable speed and torque control, reversible motor. The brand new heavy-duty and versatile MAB-825 KTS magnetic drilling and milling machine with cross-table base. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.